In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Kaiber subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Kaiber account to review your plan details and make informed choices about your subscription. First, make sure you're signed in to your Kaiber account. Open Kaiber and log in using your usual credentials. A quick tip here, use a stable internet connection and confirm you're logging into the correct account you use for your subscription. If you have multiple accounts, it's easy to land in the wrong one and not see the plan you expect. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile. This is typically your avatar, initials, or a small profile icon. Clicking your profile opens a small menu that gives you access to your personal settings. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the window or making sure you're on the main dashboard view. On some displays, the icon can be subtle, so hover your mouse up there to reveal it. Next, choose Account. The Account section is your central hub for personal information and billing-related settings. Think of it as the control room for anything that touches your identity, security, and payment details within Kaiber. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Billing and account pages often refresh your latest information in the background. From there, click My Plan. This is where you'll see the key information about your Kaiber subscription. You should find your current plan name, your billing cycle, and your renewal date. You'll typically also see your usage limits and any available options related to your plan. This page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of what you're subscribed to and when it renews, so you can plan ahead. Inside My Plan, you can review the essentials and confirm everything looks right. If you've been considering changes, like adjusting your plan to match your current needs, this is the place where those options are usually presented. You can also use this page to double check that the billing timeline aligns with your expectations, which is especially helpful before a renewal period. If something doesn't look correct, first make sure you're signed into the right account and refresh the page. Also, avoid sharing any sensitive information and keep your personal details secure if you're recording or screen sharing. And that's it. By logging in, opening your profile in the upper right, selecting Account, and then My Plan, you have everything you need to confidently manage your Kaiber subscription.